Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennifer, your baby girl Just Kings. I'm excited. I'm putting the knife yet. I'm about to open the package, okay? So the juicer came last night, but I was pretty busy. I had to go to work and I had to sleep too. Okay, so I wasn't able to open it up and stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up right now, show you guys, and later after I wake up from my beautiful sleep, I will try to assemble everything and I will show you guys. So let's just open up the bag. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so it comes in this box. It's pretty heavy, by the way. Whew, give me a sec. Okay, so these are all the parts of the Huron. Yes, this is the AAHAA something. Okay, so this is where the juice will be in. Like after juicing, the juice will go here and the pop will be in here, and these are the layout. So basically this is the finest one, the smallest hole. This is for juicing. This is the medium sized, is for smoothies, and this is the one for ice cream. Okay, so it has that, and then it has the base and that. I'm gonna set one up for you guys to. Oh, actually this is the actual the thing that I'm going to put it on to make the juices and all that. That's where I'm gonna leave it for now, and whenever I'm ready to juice, I'll just move it forward. Yeah, it fits nice and well in there. So I'm gonna set it up, but before I do that, I have to wash this first, so I'm gonna wash it first, and hopefully later during the day I'm gonna go get some apples and use it as an experiment, to see how it works. And also it says before you actually start using this, make sure you register your product online, because you get 10-year warranty on the base. Okay, and then for the rest of the appliances you just get 2-year warranty on them. So I'm gonna actually wash this and go ahead and register my product online, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. To start juicing, I just moved it a little closer, and it's currently on off. I'm just gonna put the I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'll put the fruits in. Oh, never mind, it's actually supposed to be off, and then you put your fruit in, then you turn it on. So I don't want to touch the fruits, so I'm just gonna try to move them. So see, this is the top part, and I'm putting my fruits in here, and I'm going to actually freeze this juice. Okay, I'm gonna freeze the juice so it can actually, the antioxidants and all the vitamins can actually stay in it for a longer period of time. I bought some mason jars from Amazon. They came in today. I cleaned them, and they're currently drying up. So as I make the juice, I will pour them in there. I will show you guys the after, how it looks like and all that. We have some fruits in there. I'm going to turn it on, and we will see how it's going in it. And you're gonna keep adding your fruits. You have to cut these fruits into smaller pieces, if not they're not gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to need both of my hands, but look at this. This is really good. I'm gonna need both of my hands, so I will just be coming and be showing you guys as I go along. It doesn't make a lot of noise. I'm really impressed with that. You can make juices at night, even if you wanted to. Okay, because this thing's not making noise at all. And if the fruit gets stuck like these ones, you just use this thing to try to push it slowly, not hard. Okay, don't force it. Just slowly get it in there. You see the pop? See, the pop is so dry. I'm not gonna be throwing these out. I'm gonna be adding them onto my aloe vera plants to see if it will add some nutrients to the plant for the plants to actually grow. All right, that's my plan. Not all of it though, just some of it. You see how dry the pulp is? You see? Since it's getting full, I'm gonna release it so some of the juice can come out. Fresh pineapple juice. Look at that. Look at that. You can decide to leave it open as you are juicing, or close it. And when it's halfway full, you open it. So I will be showing you guys as I add the kiwi. Okay, different flavors that I make, I will be showing you guys. Alright. And in a week time, I will tell you guys which were my favorite flavors, and if I'm going to keep, which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I do not want to keep and why. Okay, so just keep watching. Alright guys, so I basically made 24 ounces of pineapple juice so far. So each jar is 12 ounces, and as you can see, I have made 2. So this is going to be my pineapple juice for the week. I'm very excited. I'm leaving them in here for now. This is the thing that it came in with, so I'm gonna keep this every time I'm making juice. So I will leave them here. When I'm done, I'll just put them in the freezer. So this is basically the pulp that came out, okay, and just this little one. And I have this amount of pineapple left. I bought 2 pineapples, so it looks like I have used a whole pineapple and a little bit of the second one. So now I'm going to do kiwi and pineapple. Guys, so this is the kiwi, pineapple and apple recipe. I have made 2 so far. There is still more to make. I mean, there is still more of the apple, I mean. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just having apple juice as well. So I'm gonna be doing apple, and I might have to add apple to some celery and see how it tastes like, because I have a lot of apples. Okay, because apples are cheaper, and honestly they're really healthy with weight loss and you know, all that stuff. So yeah guys, so I'm done with the juicing. So this is the pulp that came out, and then that, okay, that's not a lot at all, that's little. So I'm gonna take the grains and put them in my aloe vera soil so it will get some nutrients. Yeah, so I'm done. I'm just gonna clean up, and I have an apple juice in the fridge I'm gonna be drinking today. So remember, each jar is 12 ounces, and this one I will drink this one as well before I sleep, and this will be the one for tomorrow. So tomorrow I will just pour this into 2. So basically I made 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, basically, yeah, 16. So oh my god, that, and my plan is to drink this 2 times in a day, one for breakfast and one for dinner, and lunch I will eat whatever I prepared, you know. So yeah, basically, so I think that will help me be more healthier, you know, having this for breakfast and having this for lunch, because it doesn't have that much of calories compared to what I will eat for lunch. And I'm eating, you know, like rice or chicken or those kind of food for lunch, because you know, you tend to burn, well, for me, I will tend to burn more calories around that time anyways. So yeah, this is it. So let me show you guys. I made celery juice as well. Oh my god, oops. So this is celery juice. I made 2 celery juice. I love celery, so I shouldn't have a problem drinking it, even though it stinks. This is my apple juice. The apple juice, oh my god, it tastes so good, just like the apple juice, the apple cider that I've been apple juice. So this is my apple cider, my celery juice. This is my carrot / apple juice. Okay, and then this one, which flavor is it? This is the kiwi. This is the kiwi, apple and pineapple. The same thing for this, and this is just kiwi and pineapple. You can see this one is it's really smooth. It's more like a smoothie kind of consistency because of the kiwi, because remember, kiwis are very soft. Okay, so this is kiwi and pineapple as well. So I got like 3 kiwis and pineapples, and then this is the, oh my god, the pineapple juice. See how beautiful this pineapple juice is. Yeah guys, I stored them in the freezer. I have 6 over there, and the rest of them I have it on the gate. So yeah, every day, like the night before I want to drink it, I will just take it from the freezer and put it in the fridge, you know, so it defreezes. And yeah,